Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these can cozies. And these are great in the summer. You can use up your scraps to make these. I'm using a yarn that's already got different colors in it. But you could use up your scraps for these projects. So let's get started. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. This is Mainstays yarn and it's available at Walmart. Start with a slip knot. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join. And that will form a ring. Chain 1. If you carry the yarn end along the outside of the ring, you can close up the hole. Chain 1. Work 10 single crochet in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. 10 single crochet in the ring. Now I'm not going to slip stitch to join. I'm going to work in a spiral around and around until my circle is as large as the bottom of a can. So 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 and 2, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. So 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and 2. 1 and 2. So I'm going to keep working like that all the way around until it's the size at the bottom of my can. Okay, I've worked around in a circle until my disc is the same size as the bottom of my can. And that's about 3 inches, 8.5 centimeters. So now I'm going to start working the sides. And in this row only, I'm going to work in the back side of the stitch. And I'm going to make 1 single crochet in each of the stitches all the way around. No more increase. Like that, all the way around. Okay, I've worked all the way around, and now I'm going to work in the full stitch. So single crochet in each of the stitches all the way around. And I'm going to keep working in a spiral until this is as tall as my can. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, and then I'll come back and show you. So just keep working around and around and around. Okay, I've worked a few rows. And I pulled on that yarn end at the beginning, and that will close up the bottom. And that's how that's going to fit. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work as many rows as I need for it to come to the top. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked as many rows as I need. So to finish the row, I'm just going to slip stitch to join in the next 2 stitches. Like that, then you can fasten off, and then you can slide the can in, and there you go, you'll have a can cozy.